I'm Ugandan, of course. Rolex is one of my street foods. Well, here is a full recipe of how to cook Rolex. Just make sure you watch till the end. Comment, like, share, subscribe if you've not, and share with your friend this recipe. So for our ingredients, you're going to need grated carrots. Of course, this depends with the much eggs that you're going to make or Rolex. Some onions, some tomatoes, some green pepper. It just all depends with how you're going to make it or how much you're going to make. Remember, also you need to proportion everything. Like, don't overdo it. Like, don't do extra like so many vegetables and then you do less eggs. It's going to not come in handy. Of course, you will need some avocado and some chopped cabbage. Just make sure that as you're doing this, the vegetables soak in the egg. They have to soak in the eggs so that the Rolex can cook well and that it can be sweet just as it always is. Okay, so in a bowl I'm going to crack in like 2 eggs or 3 eggs. Then I'm going to add in my all the vegetables that I've just shown you. I'm not going to mention the amount of vegetables because I have just told you the vegetables need to soak in the eggs. So add some little salt and then mix this vigorously, like let it just mix up. And then now you're going to add it all the vegetables, all the chopped vegetables. Just make sure you actually chop them into small pieces so that they can cook well and they can mix up very well. Just mix, and yeah, as you're mixing it, be heating your pan, but for now just mix every vegetable that you have there. As you've seen, I mixed everything because I was not cooking so much Rolex. I was just making like 2 Rolex. So yeah, mix every vegetable up until they completely soak in. This is how it kinda looked, and I was like, nah, it has not soaked up. And then this plate was not just doing the thing. So like you see it has not completely mixed up. It is supposed to completely be soaked in the eggs so that it can be nice. Okay, so here is my pan. I'm just heating it up. And remember, you'll need a chapati. I showed you how to make very sweet chapatis on another video. That just check it and see how to come about that. But then I just heated up this pan as I kept on mixing my other vegetables. This is what I was saying, guys. You can see the egg is now completely submerged in the vegetables. So I kind of did this because I noticed the other plate was not just doing this. Yeah, so yeah, hit the pan and then just go to the next step. heated up, so I'm going to add in my eggs. Another thing to note, guys, I'm using non-stick pan, but whichever pot you can use, or pan or sufuria, just make sure that you've used enough oil. I didn't use enough oil. I assumed that this is non-stick, so it's just not going to stick, but I forgot that this is eggs with vegetables. So you'll see how though it turned out. So yeah, as you can see, these are my vegetables and my eggs and everything in there, and whatever I added here excess was just some salt. I ended up adding some salt to my taste. So as you can see, I'm just spreading just to make sure that it cooks evenly. Yeah, and I'm cooking this with some low flame so that it can cook well. Yeah, this is how far it has cooked, and I think it's time for me to turn. I'm just checking to see if it has cooked all round here. And something else to note, don't cook like very heavy Rolex. I cooked heavy. I didn't want to cook it twice, so I ended up cooking once. But guys, see what happened, it just broke because the vegetables were very heavy. Like the vegetables were heavy and the Rolex was not too strong to stand on its own. But hey, we continue. It kind of divided like that, but well, you can see how well cooked it is. Very sweet, completely looks so yummy. So yeah, I added some oil and then I continued to cook so that it can also cook the other side as I was waiting for this meal. I'm telling you, this food is so yummy. This is one of the best things that you can cook if you want to have a good breakfast or heavy breakfast. You can eat it as a snack, you can eat it as a meal, whichever you choose. But trust me, this is so sweet. And here is how I ended up placing my Rolex. I just laid the chapati on the board, and then I put up I laid down the Rolex, the eggs, yeah, after removing it from the pan because it was already cooked. And this is how it looked, guys. See, it's so yummy. Just look how yummy this thing is and how good it honestly cooked. It is so sweet. Let's just try to now arrange it so that we can enjoy this Rolex all to ourselves. So whatever I'm going to add, you can skip if you don't love it, but trust me, this is how Rolex is prepared. So just add in some avocado and then add in some chopped tomatoes. You can add whatever that you enjoy adding as eating as extras, but this is how Rolex is made. So I ended up adding half an avocado and half tomato. So yeah, and then after this you're just going to roll it up so that you can enjoy the meal. Yeah, you're just going to roll it up and that's it. Trust me, you're going to enjoy this meal. Yeah, of course, if you've not subscribed, I'm hoping you do subscribe. Just pause this video and just subscribe and comment and like and share this video, because also after trying, just tell me how yours turned out, because trust me, I know it was sweet. And there is our Rolex. Yeah, there is our Rolex, guys. I hope you're going to enjoy yours as I did enjoy mine. So bye bye, see you on the next one.